Hi guys, Lisbeth here. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to do a declutter of my makeup collection. Hit like and subscribe if you're new. If you like declutters, I'm getting ready to do my whole house and other makeup related videos. Let's get started. I'm going to try to do it like 10-12 minutes, and let me change my tripod camera angle and see if we can get it to focus on my makeup. Okay, let me tighten her up here, and let's see how she goes. Okay, the first thing is my makeup brushes. Last declutter I had 25 left. I do really like these. I'm going to keep all 25, so we won't go into that. But I did have these bum ends that fell off that I am going to get rid of. I'm going to keep all 3 of my makeup sponges, of which this one's dirty because I used it today, but hey, at least I can see inside and make sure it's not moldy. So keeping those. And my other tools, the tweezers, the eyelash curler, the pencil sharpener, the blotters, just keeping my tools. I've got down to the amount I want, and that works out well. Let's start with the face primers. The Miracle Blur, I've used this many times, or this is new, but I've used ones like it. Love the Miracle Blur, the Smashbox, this Urban Decay Optical Illusion. Don't love quite so much, but it leaves a pink tinge, and I have a foundation a little too yellow, and they work together. So those are my keepers. Keeping 3, getting rid of 1, this Laura Mercier. It illuminates, but it doesn't do anything for my fine lines, so it illuminates my fine lines. Who wants that? For my, let's do the eye primers. This Laura Mercier has a doe foot and it's in wheat. I don't care for it. If you guys know of a squeezy tube eye primer without a doe foot that you like, please put it down below, because I am definitely looking for one. Let's see, are you like even here? And this Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Pink. Even though it's an eyeshadow stick, I am using it for a cream primer at the moment. So I'm only keeping the Laura Mercier till I find another primer. Talking about highlighters, the What's Up, I am keeping from Benefit. The Peter Thomas Ross 24 karat gold. It just doesn't look right on my skin. It has a weird texture, and it kind of melts the makeup underneath it. So I'm keeping one highlighter, getting rid of one highlighter. For the, I guess, the under eye, the concealers, this Garnier, this is the, I'm going to try moving you closer because I keep going out of range. I've used one of these up before. I'm going to keep this one. The It Bye Bye, I have just used it once so far, so I want to keep this. This NYX Gotcha Covered in medium is too thick and too orange, so keeping 2, I guess, concealers and decluttering 1. For my brows, I'm trying to get down to a minimalist makeup amount. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm working on it. This is the Wet n Wild in brunette. It's a little bit dark for me, but using a light hand and judicious use of the spoolie, I'm able to use it. But you guys, if you have a brow product you like, let me know. This Ready Set Brow, the brow gel from Benefit, I like that, and so I'm keeping both of those. Now for the foundation. Actually, this It Bye Bye Redness is not technically a foundation, but because I have the rosacea, I use it as one. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is I used it up 2 days ago. I probably should move that over to my empties. I've got a CC Plus, It CC Plus, which I really like. This Dr. Jart is a $100 point perk at Sephora. I've used like 3 or 4 of these. Love those, keeping that. This is that Makeup Forever HD that's a little bit too orange for me. It's in Y245, so I'm going to use it with that pink primer and then, you know, pass on it when I use up the primer. And this is the new one. I haven't tried it yet. I wore it once in the store. I haven't tried it like in real lighting. It's the Too Faced Born This Way in nude. So keeping all my foundations just till I can try them all. So let's get to some cool stuff like eyeshadow. The Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette is my only big palette. I absolutely love it. I can get cool neutrals, warm neutrals, pink looks, like grayish blue looks. I've got a burgundy and a purple here. It's got highlighters. This is more of a straight gold on me because the beige part matches my skin. But absolutely love this. I use the pink if I want a pink blush. So this is a good palette, at least for me. Keeping this Wet n Wild Art in the Street is a terrible palette. I would not recommend it. The blue, the purple, the green, they disappear immediately no matter what primer you're having. I am going to keep it because of the yellow, and the orange gives a beautiful sunset eye look. So keeping that. Let's see. Smashbox, this is the Cover Shot Duo. And absolutely love that. I received one in a Macy's beauty box and one in a Sephora. And so I have used the Macy's quite a bit, and the Sephora is brand new, so that'll be in a giveaway. Makeup Forever Artist Shadow in Eye 544. I thought this would be cool to travel with because of the case, but it just makes my eye look dirty, so I am going to be giving that away. Laura Mercier in Tuxedo. This is like black eyeshadow. Whenever I use black or charcoal eyeshadow above my eyes, it makes me look like I have terrible bags below my eyes. So getting rid of that. And then these four are the new Butter London Glazing eyeshadows. They're in Icing, Starlight, Moonlight, and Amethyst. I've just started playing with them, so I'm keeping it. So I've got, let's see, will this swing? Probably not. So there's two eyeshadow things I'm getting rid of, and I'm keeping the palettes and this. Only for two colors in this one. So hey, we're getting down there. Eye pencils, I only have four. Two small black ones that I'm going to keep from Sephora and Makeup Forever. This Stila, I'm going to finish it up, but I will not buy again. It tends to suck up into my fine lines a little bit, and I have to keep going over it and making the line bigger. So I'm glad I tried it. I'm going to use it up, but I will not repurchase. This Sephora in My Boyfriend's Jeans is too old. I know it's too old, but because I can sharpen it, and my favorite looks with this eyeliner are the pink ones I use in spring and summer, I'm going to keep it until summer before I give it the old toss-a-roo. So keeping all four of those. For my mascara, the Superhero It, absolutely love. Unfortunately, it is too old, so I have to say goodbye. The Marc Jacobs, I'm just now trying, and the Dior Show, I haven't opened yet. So in mascara, I'm tossing one and keeping two. For my blush, I only have two blushes, but actually it's only one. They're both the Birthday Suit and Party, the Tarte. But I had lost the one I received originally almost immediately, and I tried to go back, and I thought I had left it at a restaurant the day I received it, and I told them that I lost it. I never even got to try it. I wanted to buy it with points. I wanted to buy it outright, but they were just like, here. They gave me another one. So I have two blushes. That's why I use the pink blush in the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons if I need pink. This is a Bare Minerals Bare Skin bronzer. Hate it. It's going goodbye. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I just purchased this. I've only used it like once, so I'm still trying that out. And this Makeup Forever, it's actually an eyeshadow in M548. But I use that as a contour shade. So keeping two, getting rid of one. For my powder, this L'Oreal True Match is older than the Hills. I need to get rid of it, but I need to replace it first because I thought I could use this Tarte Smooth Operator in its place. But The smooth operator works underneath my eyes, but it does not work on my whole face. So I am keeping it until I replace this. This is old. I have to replace it, but I don't have the replacement yet. Good thing I've been doing this thing, so I know what I need to get rid of. Okay, all my lip stuff. Anastasia lip primer. Doesn't work as a primer, but I do like it as like a lip balm. Keeping. Burt's Bees and Mango. Keeping. All my NYX butter glosses. I have 3 of those. I am keeping those. This Anastasia is brand new to me, so I'm keeping that. I haven't even tried it yet. Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Love this. I keep it in my purse most of the time. These 2 CoverGirls, I'm not sure if I can see the colors, but this one has like some sparkles in it, but it's so gritty. It's terrible on the lips. I'm getting rid of that. And this one is just a terrible color for me, so I am getting rid of that. So, for my lipsticks, the Urban Decay in Big Bang. Oh my gosh, pink sparkly. I can't even tell you how beautiful this is. If I was a lip shade, this would be me. Absolutely keeping it. I love it. NARS and Raccoon. Keeping. Marc Jacobs. I don't remember the name. It's like a brown color. I am getting rid of that. It looks absolutely ghastly on me. This Sephora, the red, I'm going to keep this as my only red. And since I said I'm keeping that as the only red, obviously this Benefit Benny Balm is going bye-bye. It just, no. The Makeup Forever, this had, I don't know. It just, no. That's got to be a no. This Makeup Forever Artist Rouge in N9, wearing it today. Love that color. This Too Faced Melted Latex and Hot Mess. If you're not real careful, it will be a hot mess, but it is a beautiful color. I am keeping that one. The Urban Decay and, is it called? Amulet. Doesn't work for me. It just highlights all the cracks in my lips, so getting rid of that. The Too Faced Lip Ejection, that just burnt the heck out of my lips. I can't wear that. This Sephora, it's a very Barbie pink shade. Unfortunately, my lips are very pigmented on their own, so it gives me zombie lips, so I'm getting rid of that. And this Tarte's, this came in the birthday package too, called Birthday Suit, but something about the undertone just does not work with my lips. So when it comes to my lips, I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lip products, and I'm getting rid of 3, 6, 9. So keeping 12 and getting rid of 9. And when I say get rid of, I mean throw, pass on to friends, whatever. And the last items are my makeup setting spray. This is actually too old. At the end of December, it was down to there. I refilled my travel spray because I have travel opportunities at the beginning of this year. And then since it was just this little much, even though it is like past the expiration, I am going to keep it and use up this after my last travel opportunity at the beginning of the year. I'm going to toss, but I'm keeping it right now for travel. And then after that, that's the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm sorry if I didn't mention that. Love this product. And then I have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray that I will try after that. So that is my makeup collection declutter situation. I got rid of, let me see if I can move the camera around. I've got rid of all of this product. I think I did the best declutter on the lips, but I am keeping, those are some of my tools, my brushes. So I'm keeping like a box full of products. Here's all of the eyeshadow and blush that I own, and the rest of it. Thanks for joining with me, guys. Talk to you later.